I'd like to talk about my friend Sarah, who is a true book lover. Sarah has been passionate about reading ever since we were in school together, and her love for books has only grown over the years. She reads a wide range of genres, from science fiction and historical novels to personal development and even philosophy. It seems like every time we meet, she's carrying a new book in her bag. Sarah and I became close friends in college, and that's when I noticed just how much reading means to her. She often spends her weekends exploring local bookstores or reading in cozy cafes. She has this incredible ability to get completely absorbed in whatever she's reading. You can see it in her expression and the way she talks about the characters and ideas. One of the main reasons Sarah reads so much, I think, is her curiosity about different cultures, ideas, and ways of thinking. For her, reading isn't just a pastime. It's a way to experience different worlds and perspectives that she might never come across otherwise. She often tells me that books allow her to learn and grow as a person, which I find really inspiring. In fact, talking to Sarah has encouraged me to read more as well. She even gives me book recommendations tailored to my interests, and because of her, I've found a love for reading that I didn't have before. Her passion for books is truly infectious, and I admire her dedication to lifelong learning through reading.